we're talking mid-July.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to number 18 Apex Street in Thornlands. What makes this one stand out above the rest is simply the design and the quality throughout, from the high ceilings, plantation blinds, the solar power, the epoxy flooring in the garage. This one is as modern as tomorrow, just waiting for you to walk in and enjoy.
Late nights over red wine, dancing in the daylight, golden haze. We were loving like we're dying, ever so enticing. Green-eyed gaze, could have been moving on, moving in. Yeah, picket fence, wood and red. Trying not to think about it, know that I should probably cut it out. Damn sure